Begin by removing the two 1/4-inch hex head screws from the underside of the front of the door panel. Remove the screws indicated here that secure the outer door panel to the inner door frame. Depending on the model, there could be 12 to 14 screws. There is no need to remove these two center screws. They are used to support the door during disassembly. Once all the screws are removed, carefully close the door and then lift the outer door panel off of its supports and away from the inner door enough to disconnect the touch ribbons, as shown here. To avoid personal injury and property damage, always disconnect the power before servicing the electronic control. Carefully unplug the touch ribbon connector from the control board. Now remove the indicator light harness connector from the control board. The outer door panel can now be completely removed from the dishwasher. Disconnect the pump hose from the bottom of the detergent bottle. Disconnect the detergent bottle sensor wires from the main board. Open the dishwasher door and remove the smart dispenser cap. This exposes the lock nut which secures the detergent bottle to the inner door panel. The inside of the lock nut has a tab that needs to be released to remove the nut. Use a small screwdriver in the lock nut slot to remove the tab, as seen here. Twist the nut counterclockwise to release the detergent bottle. The detergent bottle has a black gasket that may stick to the inner door panel during removal. Be sure it is replaced upon assembly. Now carefully close the dishwasher door and remove the detergent bottle. The detergent level sensor is part of the bottle assembly. Upon reassembly, a new lock nut must be used. Lubricate the gasket inside the nut with a rinse aid solution. Hold the new detergent bottle in place and install the lock nut. Be sure the bottle gasket is in place. Place the nut onto the bottle opening with the slot in the 7 o'clock position. Twist the lock nut clockwise by hand. Use the tool packed with the lock nut to securely tighten it. The tab must engage the lock nut into place. This concludes this training video.